Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Guildford in Surrey and really want to show you around this lovely little project we completed just over 2 years ago. Not been in the area or the clients have been out, but just passing the door, so popping in, and a pleasure to show you around. This is a bespoke building, a 2.5 wide by 2.8 deep main room with a 2.5 wide by the same depth side canopy. They had a pergola here before, really enjoyed it, but it was just starting to fall apart and wanted an office. So done this lovely integration. Anthracite on the outside with the inline sliding, aluminium sliding doors. They're really lovely. And then that lovely flush fascia that we've done there, RAL 7047 colour in the canopy to make it light. And really nice, these two big drop windows here are really lovely. So that kind of integrates the two spaces. Aluminium doors working lovely as always, as you can see. Look at that. 2 years down the line, this building is completely untouched in that time and still looking almost as good as new. Just a little wash down in the spring would be great. Yeah, inside 2.5 by 2.7 means we've got that lovely space for an office. It's being used daily by the client and really enjoying it, winter and summer use here. And then a little area to chill, so that nice integration with the canopy area. Now it is March of 26 as I'm filming this, and we're not geared up for normal alfresco dining here, but the client is going to be setting it all up for the summer as usual. So there you go, a really lovely project, 5 metres in width in total, within the permitted development rules, which means it's done without planning, maximising the width of the garden. A really lovely little bespoke project that we completed here a couple of years back. Hope that's of interest. Please like, subscribe and share what we do, and thank you for watching.